Hi everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to LinkedIn leads and notify team on Slack. So let's suppose I'm a sales manager at a company and receiving leads through LinkedIn lead ad campaign. Now I want to send follow-up message to all these leads on WhatsApp and also notify my team on Slack whenever I receive a new lead. I completely want to automate this process and I can do this with the help of Pabbly Connect, which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Slack. So Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take LinkedIn, from where I will receive the new leads, and in my action application I will take WhatsApp, where my leads will receive an automated follow-up message, and Slack, where my team will be notified about this new lead. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to LinkedIn leads and also notify my team on Slack. For this, I am going to create automation between LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now it's asking me to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. First, let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to LinkedIn leads and notify team on Slack. And now I have to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select WhatsApp automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to LinkedIn leads and notify team on Slack, which means whenever a LinkedIn lead will be generated, a WhatsApp message will be automatically sent to the lead and the team will be automatically notified on Slack, which means whenever a lead will be generated, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here my trigger application will be LinkedIn lead gen form. Now I need to select the trigger event. So it is new lead gen form response. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. Connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And authorization successful. So LinkedIn lead gen forms is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter these two details. So the first one is I have to choose my LinkedIn account and then my lead gen form with the help of which I'll be running all the advertisements. So to enter this, let me take you to my LinkedIn account. Over here, this is my LinkedIn account and I want to use this account. So let's go back to Pabbly and from this drop down given over here, I have to select my account as this one. Now I want to select the lead form. So I have all these leads form and I want to select sample lead gen form. So as I am not running any live campaign on LinkedIn, I have created a sample lead gen form with the help of which we will make this workflow. So let's go back to LinkedIn and under campaign manager, I have these two sample campaigns. I want to use this lead generation, so I will open this and over here I have these two sample campaign forms that I have created and I want to select this SEO and digital marketing service. So I'll open this. So when you open your form, it will appear like this. We have to click on this apply now. So as this is a sample form, first name, last name, company name already exist over here. I just need to enter my email address and my phone number. So here I will enter my email address as admin@pabblytudes.com and then I will enter a dummy phone number which is. Now I simply have to click on submit and we have submitted the form. Now let's go back to Pabbly. And over here, I need to click on the save and send test request. And we can see that we have captured the response from the sample form. So the email address was admin@pablitudes.com. This was the dummy phone number. First name was Pabli and the company name was Magnet Brains. So we have connected LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabli Connect and we have received the response over here after submitting our sample form. Now we have to move to our next step, which is whenever we receive a lead from LinkedIn, we have to send WhatsApp message to all these leads. So here my action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. And then my action event will be send template message. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. Now I have to enter all these details so as to make this connection. And to enter this, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers. And over here we can see all the options. Here I need to click on my apps. Then I have to choose my application. Then on the left hand side, I can see an option of webhooks and WhatsApp. I have to click over here on WhatsApp and select API setup. Now over here, I am provided with temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So this is a temporary access token which will expire after 24 hours and you have to regenerate after every 24 hours. But you can also generate a permanent access token, and if you want to learn how to generate that, you can visit our YouTube channel. So over here, I will copy this and paste it in token field. Next, I have to copy my phone number ID and paste it over here. Then I have to copy my WhatsApp business account ID and paste it over here. Now click on save. So WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabli Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is template name, and to enter this, let me take you back to Meta for Developers. Over here, if we scroll down, we can see this option to send test message. Copy this command, paste it into terminal and press enter. To create your own message template, click here. So we have to click on this hyperlink given over here. And we have reached the message template section. Here, if you want to create a new template, you can simply click on this create template option. And from here, you can create a new template. Now let's come back. And this is the message template that I have created. Let's open it. So my message reads as hi demo. Here I have entered variable which will keep changing whenever I receive a new lead. So I have kept this as the name of the lead. So the message reads as hi demo. I hope you are doing well. I want to follow up on your recent LinkedIn connection and see if you have any questions or need further information about our product services. I'd be happy to schedule a quick call to discuss how we can support your goals. Please let me know a convenient time for you. Looking forward to connecting. Best regards, ABC Company. Now let's go back to Pabli. And from over here, select my template name as LinkedIn Leads. And it has automatically generated the language code and template ID. Now I have to enter the recipient phone number and the body field. So to enter this, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter details from my previous response. So in my previous response, I have received the phone number from LinkedIn lead gen form. So I will simply click over here and map my phone number as this one. And then I have to enter the body field. So as I previously told you, I have put this as the name of the lead. So here the name of my lead is Pabli. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, I have entered a dummy phone number. That's why for now, I am just going to remove this and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive on my WhatsApp number. Now, I simply have to click on Save and Send Test Request. And we have received the response. The message status is accepted. Now, let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message or not. So over here, I have successfully received the response. The name of the lead was Pabli, so it has been replaced with this name Pabli. So this is the same message that I have drafted in my message template in WhatsApp Cloud API. Now let's go back to Pabli. And now I want to send message to my team on Slack. So I will simply select my next action application as Slack. And then select my action event as send channel message. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Slack. And over here I need to enter the token type. So it's written, enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. So over here I will enter user and click on save. Now I have already logged into my Slack account and I just need to give away the permissions, for which I need to click on this allow. And authorization successful. So Slack is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is channel, and to enter this, let me take you to my Slack account. This is my Slack account and this is the channel that I have created by the name LinkedIn Leads. I want to receive all the messages on this channel. So let's go back and select the channel as LinkedIn Leads. Now I have to draft the message in a format I want to send message to my team members notifying about the new lead that I have received from LinkedIn. So let's say, hi team. So I have drafted this message. Hi team, just a quick update. I have reached out to, now I have to enter the name of the lead via WhatsApp following our LinkedIn campaign. I have offered to schedule a call to discuss their needs and our solutions. Please keep an eye out of any follow-up actions or support they might need. I'll keep you posted on any developments. Thanks, regards. So over here, I need to enter the name. So I will follow the same process that I have used in my previous action step, which is mapping. So first I will enter the name. I have reached out to, click on LinkedIn and map my first name, which was Pabbly. Then also let me add the email address of this lead. So let's say I have reached out to Pabbly. Here is the email address. And I'll again map the email address as admin@pabblytudes.com. If you want to add any other contact details or any other details, you can add that using the same process so that we can keep the fields dynamic. And on every new response, these details will keep changing. Now I have drafted the message and I do not want to enter any image URL, image or text, bot name, because these are not required field. I just want to send a channel message. So over here I will simply skip all these fields. Now I simply have to click on save and send test request. And over here we can see we have received the response. Now let's open my Slack account and check whether we have received this message there or not. And we can see we have instantly captured the response. The message reads as, hi team, just a quick update. I have reached out to Pabbly via WhatsApp following our LinkedIn campaign. Here is the email address. I have offered to schedule a call to discuss their needs and a solution. Please keep an eye out for any follow-up actions or support they might need. I'll keep you posted on any developments. Thanks, regards. So we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms, WhatsApp Cloud API and Slack. Over here I have taken LinkedIn Lead Gen Forms as my trigger application, where I submitted a sample form and received the response, after which I selected my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API, where I selected my message template and entered the phone number and received the message over there, after which we selected our action application as Slack, where we drafted the message that we want to send to our team on Slack, and then simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as a channel message on my Slack. So we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn Lead Gen Form, WhatsApp Cloud API and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.